Hi, I'm Colin, and in this video we're going to talk about how to dress up a standard grill by adding 2 columns with caps as counter space to make a nice grill surround. Now, when you pre-plan for any hardscape project, you always want to draw up some sort of a design. A lot of the design is dictated by the height of your grill, where the vents are, how high you want your counters to be. We're building some 32-inch columns, and with a 3-inch capello cap, that counter is going to be right at the bottom of the hood of our grill for basically the perfect height when we're finished. We're also going to make sure that we gap our columns about 1 inch from the grill to allow for maximum ventilation, since this is a gas grill, to help be safe. Now, just like a lot of hardscape projects, following our design, we're going to do the layouts. We're going to place our grill where we're going to want to keep it. This is typically going to be on a concrete or paving stone patio, occasionally a wood deck, which you'll want to make sure is rated for the pounds of columns you're going to create. But either way, once the grill is placed, we can do the bottom course of our columns. Since this is on top of concrete or paving stones, more than likely, we don't need to worry about any gravel base prep or compaction or anything like that. We're going to take our column and place it about 1 inch away from the sides of our grill and 3 inches from the face. So when we put our 24-inch by 24-inch cap on the top, we have 3 inches of overhang in the front and the sides, and then that 1 inch in the middle is for breathability of the propane grill. We have our 20-inch outside diameter columns with our Chateau 300mm blocks laid out and ready to go. Now we can stack our subsequent courses. The one thing I want to think about is being mindful of the glue orientation. If you put it too close to the edge, it will squeeze out as you stack blocks up. And for a column especially, you only need about a dime-sized dollop in the corners to get good strength for a freestanding column. So we finished gluing and stacking our subsequent courses to our desired height. We're ready to add our capstone. We're using Murata Capello 6060s, which are a 24-inch by 24-inch, 3-inch thick cap. It's going to land perfectly with the height of the bottom of our hood here. So it's going to be a great transition from hood to countertop. We're going to have 3 inches of overhang in the front and on the side, and then 1 inch for this breather gap and in the back. So after placing our caps, we have a finished product. We have added 8 square feet total counter space to our grill area. You might have had factory metal wings that rusted out or you just ripped them off. This is a great way to add 2 columns to add it and make it tie in to your hardscape. If you have any other hardscape projects coming up, make sure you check out our videos on YouTube or our blogs on our website. We have lots of content on there to help you with virtually any hardscape projects you might have coming up.